Difference between provisions and reserves. Provision is a charge against profit and reserve is a appropriation against profit. Purpose of creating provision is for a known liability or expense pertaining to a current accounting period, the amount of which is not certain. And reserve is created to strengthen the financial position of the business, and some reserves are mandatory under law. Effect on taxable profit. Provision reduces the taxable profits of the enterprise, or reserves has no effect on the taxable profits because reserves are created after calculation of profit. बैलेंस शीट प्रेजेंटेशन. प्रोविजंस हमारे को शो करने के दो तरीके होते हैं. पहला, बाय द वे ऑफ डिडक्शन फ्रॉम कंसर्न असेट ऑन द असेट साइड, या फिर ऑन द लाइबिलिटी साइड ऑफ द बैलेंस शीट अलॉन्ग विद करंट लाइबिलिटीज. एंड रिजर्व सिर्फ और सिर्फ लाइबिलिटी साइड में आफ्टर कैपिटल शो होता है. एलिमेंट ऑफ कंपल्शन. Provision. Creation of provision is necessary to ascertain the true and fair profit and loss in compliance, prudence or conservatism concept. It must be made even if there is no profit. Reserve में generally creation of reserve is at the discretion of management. Reserve cannot be created unless there are profits. However, in certain cases, law has stipulated for creation of a specific reserve such as debenture redemption reserve, जो हम पढ़ेंगे अपने नेक्स्ट क्लास में, मतलब क्लास 12th में. और use of payment of dividend. It provision cannot be used for dividend distribution. Reserve can be used for dividend distribution.